To our YouTube family. So today we have come with new topic, that is how to configure email services in Cisco Packet Tracer. And not even Cisco Packet Tracer, you too can do in your real-time network and environment. That is quite easy, and Cisco Packet Tracer has a capability to configure mail services. And when you configure mail services in Cisco Packet Tracer, so it is I think very easy to configure real-time environment also. So you can um, learn through Cisco Packet Tracer. So here I have taken a small topology where I have taken one mail server and two switches, okay, and one router gateway and three PC for three different users. Why I have taken 3 PC? Because we need three different user who have access of mail server and who can mail to each other. So in this topology, we will send mail from user 1 to user 2 or user 3, and user 3 will send or reply to user 1 and user 2. So this concept will be understood when you work in your real-time environment. So how to configure it? So same topology I have created in Cisco Packet Tracer. Same topology where three are PCs and one email server and router gateway and two switches are connected. So I'm assuming that you have a good command over how to configure IP address in the server and these PC and routers, and uh, require one protocol like OSPF, EIGRP, and RIP or BGP. So one protocol needed, but so I have given all of them, and you can check through by clicking on the PCs that I have connected the given the IP address for this PC is 192.168.2.2, and the given IP on this 2.3, and on the email server is 192.168.1.100, and on the router 2 IP required, and one is 1.1 and second is 2.1, and in the PC, this PC 1.2. So simple configuration needed. So if you wants to know how to configure, you can refer my another video in the channel where you will learn in detail, but this topic is for mail server configuration, so we will learn only email server configuration. So let's start. So go to the email server, and before going to the email server you can check on the PC, and I said Cisco Packet Tracer has the capability to enable email services. So go to the desktop, and here you can find an application with name email. So here there is no configuration, and you even don't know what to configure, because you don't know your name, your email address, and what is incoming email server and outgoing email server, and your username and password also. So you don't know anything. So that's why it is blank on every PC, and you can not configure before going to this is already configured. So let's clear it. So it is cleared now, and so no configuration here, and no configuration in this PC also, I think. Configure and clear. Okay, that's it. And go to the email server, go to the services, and then click on email. So here what's the configuration required? First is SMTP services should be on, and POP3 services should be on, and then your domain name I have given already gmail.com. You can put as per your choice. So let's change it so that it can be understood easily, and we can give as mm, india.com, right? Okay, so that is the your domain name. And username, you can configure username like suppose I want three username, because we have well 3 PC, but you can put more than three also. So let's give the random name of the user. So first name is Salman, and its first password is S, I have given. Okay, and the next username is Rohit, and password is R for Rohit. And Neelam, and password is N. And one more user you can create Dharmendra and D. Okay, that's it. So you have configured username in the server, and now the part is how to enable email services in your PC. So go to on any PC. Suppose I want to keep a username here, Neelam's username here, and here I want to keep Salman, and here I want to keep Dharmendra. Okay, so go to the this PC, and email services, configure mail, and this you can clear or reset, clear, and you can put your name Neelam, and email address for Neelam is Neelam, and with domain name at the red india.com. And incoming mail server where you have configured username, the IP address of the mail server. So IP address of the mail server is 192.168.1.100. So you can enter the same IP address here, and same IP address required on the outgoing email server also. And username is Neelam again, and password is N, that I have configured. Okay, that's it. And go to the Dharmendra. So go to Dharmendra, and put your username is Dharmendra, your name, and email address is dharmendra at the rate india.com. Incoming email server 192.168.1.100, same email server required, and outgoing email server also, and username is Dharmendra, and password is D. Okay, so we have configured two PC with username. So now we are ready to send mail to each other. Let's send mail. So first go to the compose and send to mail Neelam. So you can put her username Neelam at the red email address india.com, and subject you can put as per your choice. Let's greeting, subject name hi Neelam, how are you, and thanks and regards Dharmendra. Okay, send the email. So your mail has been sent. Now you can check the status, send successful. So now you can check on Neelam PC, yeah, email has been received or not. So you can check on receive box, and you can get the same email that you have sent from Dharmen PC, and you can reply as well. Reply hi Dharmendra, I am fine, thanks. and go to the Dharmendra PC, and you on receive box from Neelam, and you have received the mail from Neelam. Hi Dharmendra, I am fine, thanks. So this was the configuration of email services, and hope you have learned as much as you can, and as much as I can describe. So you're welcome when you suggest anything in this case, and you too can put your query question in the comment section below, where we will try to answer your question. Thank you.